Signs you need to replace your water heater. Water heaters have a lifespan of around 10 years. You can prolong the life of your water heater with annual maintenance, however it is likely that you will need to have your present tank replaced with a new one if you are occupying your residence for more than 8 years. In this video we provide you advice with the knowledge you will learn how to identify the signs, these which would indicate when it's time to replace your water heater. 1. Your water heater is too old. Most homeowners are unaware of when a water heater reaches its expiration date. Not knowing this can lead to major risks when the heater starts to play up due to its older age. The way to learn the age of your water heater is to look at the serial number, listed on the manufacturer sticker that can usually be found on the upper half of the tank. This number will not list the date in a readily identifiable format. Instead, you will see letters and numbers. The letter at the start of each number is the month of the year. The letters G, D and I are the 7th, 4th and 9th months of the year, therefore the numbers are for heaters that were manufactured in the months of July, April and September. The first numbers that follow the letter represent the last 2 digits of the year in question, thus you will see serial numbers and how they look in the description of this video in a written document. How long do water heaters last on average? On average, a water heater will last 8 to 10 years. Not all water heaters have a life expectancy of up to 10 years. Gas water heaters on average last between 6 to 8 years. 2. Signs of a bad water pump. You will see rusting, either on the tank or in the water. You will hear noises, leaks will start to occur, failure to heat the water. 3. Rusty water or heater inlet valve. Even though steel is the strongest material, it has one large weakness which exists in plumbing, and this is rust. When corrosion takes hold on a steel surface, it slowly spreads and eats through the steel in certain areas. Water pipes as well as tanks made from steel, rust serves as the first warning sign of oncoming leaks. It can be very hard to tell whether rust is coming from the water heater itself or the pipes that lead to your faucet. Rust is a serious problem which has to be attended to for the health and sanitation of your family at home as well as the visitors to your home.